Before we jump into Premiere Pro, we have to understand a little bit about lighting. Lighting plays a key role in converting day scenes into night scenes. So what am I looking for here? Let's take this particular scene, for example, and walk through what I did right. So one of the first things that you do is you pick a time and location where you're not getting that intense sunlight. Typically try to avoid filming between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. You want to film when the sun is really low and it's not creating really bright highlights and really sharp shadows. You want to try avoiding that as much as possible. Cloudy days are perfect for filming day to night scenes, but definitely avoid days when it's really sunny outside. Now let's talk about setting up lights within your scene. So it might not be very obvious at first glance, but there's actually a light to the left of Ashley here, off camera. So the light is pretty much to her left, kind of shining light directly on her top left. So if you look carefully, you can see that there's some light on her forehead, light on her left cheek, and that light also kind of falls down her left side of her neck, and you also see it on her chest. That light is really important. It's going to be impossible to recreate this without that light because the amount of information you would need to match how light is reflecting and casting shadows on a human face when somebody's giving a performance, it's going to be hell. Maybe in a still frame you can get away with just recreating how that light will fall on her face, but imagine a 10-second clip like this one, recreating that from scratch. It's just going to be painful. And you can see other examples of how filmmakers use the same effect to really enhance the situation. So definitely plan the scene as well as possible. Think about every little aspect of it. Think about where the actor is standing, what the performance is about, what kind of lighting is going to be in the scene. How can we recreate this? How can we make this happen? Do a test. All these things are free. Don't save it for the day of filming.